Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the essentials: VS Code installed and a project folder ready. Now create the file, press Ctrl+N or choose File New File. This opens an untitled editor. Once done, give it purpose by picking a language mode in the lower right corner. That sets syntax highlighting and snippets. Make sure to work inside your workspace folder rather than an isolated temp file, because saving will later place the file where your project and version control expect it. You should save the untitled file right away. Press Ctrl+S and type a file name with the correct extension, for example index, HTML or main. The extension tells VS Code which language features to enable. Once saved inside your project folder, VS Code indexes it for search and extensions. Make sure line endings and encoding are correct via the status bar. This prevents weird diffs later. If you need a template, use snippets or the command palette to insert a starter structure. You're almost done. Run or preview the file using the integrated terminal. Press Ctrl+ to open it, then run the appropriate command like node file, JS or Python 3 file. Install extensions for language support and debugging to improve workflow and catch errors early. If things go wrong, file won't save or features are missing, first check file permissions and workspace trust, then reload the window or check the output panel for errors. That single troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.